Okay, guys, quickly gonna go through euros and pounds, and then we'll call it a day. Euro dollar, as we have already discussed. While talking about dollars, looks like this buyer is still in control, but you never know because there's dollar interest rate. 240 might have turned into a seller. No, no, no. We talked about it. Still a buyer. So if it depends on how the momentum shows us what euro dollar wants to do now. Uh, if of course the buyer takes a lot of time to go all the way up to there, it's gonna turn into a sell. That is what it looks like at the moment too. But not gonna get too over ambitious. We will have to wait for confirmations, and the confirmation for this trade to turn into a sell, if it goes through this, pulls back, then the targets are gonna be all the way down to there. And that is a lot of room for the price to travel. So be patient, okay? Don't just jump the gun. Be patient. Sorry. Euro CAD, we just talked about it. It's in a very critical area. Not really interested at the moment. It's gonna break either way. Uh, Higher or lower does not matter. Just gotta break either way for us to be able to find a trade off of it. At this point, nothing at all. Euro Swiss franc, talked about it while talking about Swiss franc. So this buyer seems to be in control at the moment, could pull back to go higher, could continue to go higher to pull back to go higher. If you go through this, then the pullback is going to be for the sells. Euro yen, again, looking for yen strength, so euro weakness on this too. Uh, it has turned people to the wrong side in the markets. Should come down to here, if not go all the way down to there. But again, for it to turn into a buyer, we needed to go through this, and then it'll be a buy. So just sit on your hands for a while, okay? Uh, Euro Kiwi, as we discussed while talking about Kiwi, at a resistance, so you want to see the price go through, pull back to continue to go higher. Euro Aussie, same, in a range, so it needs to go through this and then pull back to go higher. Euro pound, never really interested, but no but. It's such a mess. It's always a mess, so don't want to talk about it. Uh, does look like that euro will be a little bit stronger than pound in the coming week, but you know, don't. I'm not gonna pin hopes on it at all. So this was about euros. Let's quickly go through pounds, pound dollar. We discussed about it while talking about dollars. That if this move up is to turn people to the opposite side in the markets, and then the market held and made a lower low after putting in a lower high. Test into this area is going to continue to go lower, at least into this area, if not all the way. But as we know that there are two interest rates, dollar and pound interest rates, so this could be setting up for a big move. Again, we'll see as the price action starts to evolve. We'll see if you're able to take action or not. We will see. Okay, pound Kiwi, again, just discussed while talking about Kiwi, needs to go through, pull back for buys. Pound yen, not really sure because this buyer seems to be holding, but the momentum seems to be shifting to the sell side, which means that yen strength and pound weakness. So let's see what happens. Pound Swiss franc is pretty weak at the moment. Interest rate takes it somewhere. That'll be a different story. At this point in time, this looks to be a buy. Pound CAD, this buyer holding. Interest rate takes it lower. Different story. At this point, cannot look to sell because this buyer is still in control. Pound Aussie needs to go through this to pull back to go higher. Euro pound, do not want to talk about. All right. See, such a small video, 4 minutes 31 seconds. Because we had spent 20 minutes on the first video and 10 minutes on the second video. All right, guys, this was about what I'm looking for next week. I'm looking for Aussie weakness, Kiwi weakness, dollar strength, yen strength. That's pretty much about it for now. If something else starts to show up, we'll talk about it in the video that I will obviously make for you guys or myself too. So basically, I'm doing this stuff for myself more than you guys, if you know what I mean. All right, guys, cheers. pretty much about it. Have a nice end to the weekend. Enjoy your Sunday, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.